Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Fusion Markets to MetaTrader 5. And today I will show you how to do this for a demo account, but it works exactly the same for a live account. So the first thing that we need to do is create a demo account that has an active MT5, so MetaTrader 5 platform. So it sounds very difficult, but it's very easy because click on demo, then right here on demo, click on create new demo account. And then this is the thing where I was talking about. You need to be sure that this one is standing on MT5. Then the other things is not that difficult or not that important. Let's do an amount of 100k, currency on US dollars, leverage to 1 to 100, and then we click on create account. Then right now he is creating our account right there, the demo 004. So we will refresh this right here. And now if we go to our email address, they send the login information and password to our email. So right now you see it's created right there. Now we go to downloads and now we select right here at MetaTrader 5 Windows. So yeah, you can do this for all the devices right there, but we are using Windows. Now we click here on the exe file, click right there on yes, then we do next. And now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 setup for Fusion Markets. Make sure that you also open in your email the account details, so the login and the password that they sent. Click now here on finish. And then in a few seconds you will see this screen. Then we click here on next. And now we just select right here on connect with an existing trade account. And now we go to our email address and we need to fill in right here the login from our account and then copy paste the password right there to there. And then after this, we click now on finish and boom, there we are. We just connected our Fusion Markets accounts to MetaTrader 5. And this works exactly the same for a live account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.